Namaskar, good evening, boys, girls, young, old, male, female, gay, lesbian, bisexual, trans, hijra, and whatever you want to feel about yourself.
I don't know
Be
what.
chilled about yourself, like Hinduism, nobody can say we were not there. We were higher than the men and women because we were kinners. According to Manusmriti, we were Kiblas. In the Vedic Kal came, we were the kinners, and one of the best shlok where the man Mahadev gets prasanna was written by Pushpadant, who himself was a kinnar. Then Christianity, chapter Luke. Eunuchs will be born, people will become eunuchs. They will be higher than the son and daughters, and their palaces will be built in the garden of the heaven, and their names will be written on the golden plate. From verse 52 till 58. We were there. Imagine where now in this country people on the basis of religion start discriminating only upon sexuality. And I said that whichever religion was born on my motherland never bothered about sexuality, and we were so cool. I loved Lord Padmanabhan. When you go to Kerala and you see Padmanabhan, he's having sex with everybody. Lion, man, woman, anything and everything. I said, wow, I should have a husband like this one, a true man. Now I should take you back to my story. When I was born, the sex assigned at my birth was given of a male. Fine, let the doctor enjoy himself. Hallelujah to him. Okay? But I didn't choose to stay in the boxes of male and female. Like, it's so bloody unromantic, what my men friend can do and what my women friend can do, like, fine, let them be. When I was growing up, of course, I was introduced to sex, abused as a child at a very young age when I was not supposed to, but I was abused because of my own femininity. Patriarchal society. If again I talk about patriarchy, then feminist and everything, but chill boys, I am feminist. I give a damn about, men and patriarchy because men are so incomplete. Yeah, because women per se, by even Bhagavad Gita, if I go and understand Bhagavad Gita, मैं सिर्फ एक पुरुष हूं, पूरी प्रकृति नारी है. And scientifically, if I have as much what I've studied science and biology, x square, if you do mathematics, xy means the men also has something x, and they have to wonder how much x they are and how much y they are. And I didn't know what I was. I enjoyed the femininity, but that femininity, I had to pay a price of my femininity. But one day, fine, I said, no, enough. I'm not going to take this shit. And that no gave me the power. And after when I got that power, but when I see this power of saying no, then my life changed. But the atrocities, you see, when I was very young, I thought I was gay. But when I used to go to gays, like Harish, and when I was really very young, but I had never met Harish, they used to say, you're a freak of the nature. You gays are men, you're not bloody man itself. Like, I was like, what? I said, they're bitches, they hate me, Fine. And so the gays never thought I was a gay. Then suddenly this trend, Harish must be knowing, drag queen came in Bombay, and I was drag queen. This one English movie of beauty queens, she kills, but I never killed any beauty queen. But I saw to it that the crown remains on my head for 3 years, till I was claimed retired. This is politics, like, yeah, queen. Done. But in drag queen, I was not very comfortable. I hated hijras. I said, why they clap, they strip naked, oh my God. How atrocious this is, But when I came to know about the culture, I said, it's so much me, it's so much myself. And one fine day, I became a hijra. And when I till I was drag queen, till I was in the gay sector, till I was in some so-called high-class society, what norms they understand, or what you would understand, till then it was fine. The time I became into the Hijra community, and I proudly said I'm a Hijra now, suddenly I had no friends. Fine, it is, but I lived my life, and suddenly I was introduced to social work, in my life, I did tuition, I took tuitions, I was a model coordinator, and as a woman, I always thought, I wish I was Umrao Jan, I was Sahib Jan, I was, all the quotas in Mastani, so I went and danced in bars. One girl before, even I was a bar dancer, and I was a proud bar dancer, I used to enjoy when I used to see these foolish men used to come and throw money at me. And I had one policy in my life. I was accessible but not available. The dog shouldn't have the bone. Otherwise, the dog digs and it buries the bone. So no value of my femininity, oh my, I was like that all over. But I enjoyed. I did model coordination, and suddenly people said you should do social Ashok and all that. Whole gangbang said no, she should be. And suddenly I told, okay, fine. And one day I go in this Banarsi sari filled with jewelry. Today I am very underdressed for any occasion, Yeah, means I was only bothered about why I am so underdressed. First time I have stitched something so simple, and I was quite feeling good about it. So I just wore it from Delhi and I'm here. And then, first time I saw the Hijras whom I used to meet in functions, all decked up, happy. हाँ बाजी कैसी हो, सब ठीक है ना, ये कपड़ा कहाँ से लिया, तेरा boyfriend क्या कर रहा है, all happy. When I went to Kamatipura and when I saw for the first time way back in 2000, it blew my mind. I used to apply that lipstick, Personi 113 Moonless Night, I loved that name, Moonless Night of the lipstick, so I used to wear dark coffee color lipstick of Personi. And that also cost around that time 800 rupees. And my community people were selling their body for bread and butter and shelter for 20 rupees, 50 rupees, 100 rupees. I felt ashamed of myself. And I thanked my parents not to disown me. I was lucky. I did everything. Whatever I wanted in my life, I did. But two things I didn't do. I never begged, or I never sold my body. I would have sold my art, but it was fun to even sell your body. If somebody had nice amount to pay, I would have even done that. But I never thought any number would be fit to my body, My art is too expensive. So, but it was sad. So when we look the whole activism since 1999 when we started the first organization, Dai Welfare Society, until today. Till yesterday I was dancing at the Parliament House. But opposition was dancing much more stronger than me, so the bill didn't come. All respect to Congress and BJP both, because when Congress was doing something, so BJP was dancing. Now BJP is in power, so Congress is dancing. In that, communities like us who are still waiting, 311 years. How many years? We were thrown out of the mainstream society. It's not few numbers. 3 centuries and plus 11 years. 250 British Raj and 67 Republic of India. I will be 36, but I'm only 1 year legal in this country when we went to the Supreme Court. And still after that, we are still awaiting for some policies to be drafted and percolated to people. I'm standing in a school, like in my school in my college, I was always scared to go to a restroom because I knew I would be getting raped or bullied, or people would spank my butt, pull my chin. In college means, though I was a tamasha, I was like, people would get scared of me. But after, if four boys would come in, I was very skinny. I had an 18 waist, hot and sexy, like hot I was. Yeah, I still remember those days. Now, no, my days are gone. But life taught me one thing: love yourself. Especially for the girls. Get up in the morning, look into the mirror, and say, I love myself. Because these men in India, and this see, I love men. I have boyfriend, I have friends. I'm always with men. Men means friends. I have one boyfriend, okay? Okay, but I love men. But the patriarchy is so strong. Knowing, unknowingly, the society reacts in a way that you have never taught your mother, your sister, your daughters to love themselves. First thing, now the generation is changing. Then, they want to tame it down. Then the girls are raped, acids are thrown, they are being killed on the streets because they have the power to say no now. Girls and even women, and even the hijroticness, what, if anyone is there over here like me, we should love ourselves. In India, we are taught to love our family, name of the family, then married, husband, son, brother, everything. You don't have time to even love yourself. I get up in the morning, take bath, and first thing, makeup. Lakshmi, okay, this eyes looks good today, smoky eyes. Baby, your lips, your pout. Hot and sexy, Lakshmi. I love yourself. What is my story? My story is nothing. My story is penned down and it has come out with in English, Me Hijra Me Lakshmi, Marathi, Gujarati. Now, English, Hindi is also coming. My second book is also on the road. In Marathi, it will be Pavitracha Umbartyavar, Purush Maja Ayushatle. In English, it would be The Red Lipstick Man in My Life. In Hindi, Pavitrata Ki Dehliz Pe, Purush Meri Zindagi Mein. Don't worry, it is not like Mills and Boons or anything of that sort. It's about all the men, right from my father to brother to boyfriends to affairs to even women whom I thought they were much more than manhood. Because see, my story is a story with a lot of support. I was lucky that my parents never disowned me. I had a house to stay. I was not bothered about the 2 times food which was necessary to be earned. Many people in my community are not lucky. That is the saddest part. We talk too much, but we don't. When the biggest grief is that at times when you're thrown out of the house right from young age, you're discriminated, you're being forced to understand that you are no more required and being a part of this family, so you have to leave the house. Your body is considered as a toy to be played with, anybody and everybody. And then afterwards in my community, at times it is a situation that when people are raped, they laughingly tell, that 2 boys came, then the 4 boys came, and they did that, and one Nirbhaya happens, then so much of tamasha happens. I pleaded to Justice Verma that even include us also. We are not being included. But of course, now things will change. We are ducks. I'm like a duck, I don't give up. And nothing can harm me. As much you throw water on me, it will fall down. But life is not easy for others. You talk why hijras clap, why they strip. Why do you all have to disown your own children? How many of you have disowned your own friends if they are a little bit different? The blame is always to us. But it takes a heart and a human heart to understand the issue and to stand with it. And now is the time. I don't ask for much, nor I will speak much, because the biggest strength which I have is not to surrender. And I will never surrender till my last breath. Like a child, I always had, one dream. I shall perish, thy not my name, it shall be carved in the marbles to be remembered. Fine. Don't remember me also, but remember a community which, out of all the odds, survived so many years. Even we are part of your society. We only need a treatment of human, the only sexual minority which is visible, and still our human existence has been deleted from the mainstream society. We are ready to walk 200 steps with you all, but at least you all walk 2 steps. Treat us with dignity and love. Thank you. Have a good evening.